What's up guys, Shane Stars here with Droid Monitor X, and we finally have an official announcement date for the Galaxy S9, plus a huge Galaxy S9 feature may have been leaked by Samsung themselves. Let's go ahead and get started. This video is sponsored by Samsung's Note 8 AR stickers. So one thing that you may not have known is that you actually have these awesome AR stickers built into the Galaxy Note 8's camera. I can simply go down to the stickers button here. I can add stickers. It'll actually take me to the sticker store where I can purchase extra stickers. We want our stickers here, and I'll just choose a random sticker. It instantly recognizes your face and adds that AR effect. Head to the link below for more information on Samsung's Galaxy Note 8 AR stickers. We're only a few weeks away from the official announcement, but we already know plenty about the Galaxy S9. First up, we'll take a look at what we know about the design of the Galaxy S9. It's been heavily rumored that we would see a slightly different look to the Galaxy S9 from the Galaxy S8 on the front of the display in the form of slimmer bezels. We actually have a few live leak videos, one of a dummy unit of the Galaxy S9 and another video of what is supposedly a leaked video of the Galaxy S9 showing the touch sensitivity of the display on the phone. Both of these videos show a very similar look to the Galaxy S8. We also have case manufacturers who have leaked renders of the Galaxy S9. It looks like we're going to see basically an unchanged design when it comes to the front of the display. We'll still have the 5.8-inch screen size on the S9 and the 6.2-inch screen size on the S9 Plus with an 18.5 by 9 aspect ratio on that infinity display. Where we're going to see the major changes in the design of the Galaxy S9 will be on the back of the device. We'll no longer have that oddly placed fingerprint scanner on the side of the camera. Instead, it's going to be stacked underneath the camera in the center of the middle of the back, which should be much easier to access. The Galaxy S9 will have a single lens camera setup, while the Galaxy S9 Plus has a dual lens camera setup. The biggest upgrade to the Galaxy S9 over last year's S8 will be in the camera. Samsung recently published an entire page on its new ISOCELL camera technology, which we expect to see in the Galaxy S9. This new sensor may have a 3-stack fast readout sensor. This means that we might actually see super slow-mo at 480 frames per second in 1080p Full HD. And if that capability exists in the camera, we may also see 960 frames per second at 720p, which just about no other camera on the market can do. Another main feature of the camera will be super phase detection autofocus. This means that autofocus speeds will be improved drastically, and the main takeaway here is that we'll see improvement in autofocus speeds in low light, meaning that we will have less of a chance of blurry images in low light situations. The camera may also have variable aperture, which could go from f1.5 to f2.4. This feature would allow for much more customization in your shots. You'd be able to go and fine tune the aperture in those shots, and also the camera could do that smartly with the auto feature, making for the best possible solution when taking shots, no matter if you're in a bright sunny situations or lower light situations. We had heard rumors that the Galaxy S9 may feature a larger 3200 milliamp hour battery, but it seems like the older battery specs, the 3000 milliamp hour for the S9 and 3500 milliamp hour for the S9 Plus, have been confirmed. A recent filing made by Samsung with Brazil's Anatel does show that the phones will come with a 3000 milliamp hour battery and 3500 milliamp hour battery respectively. Another major feature that we may see on the Galaxy S9 would be a set of stereo speakers tuned by AKG. AKG has provided a set of stereo headphones for the Galaxy S8. We expect to see those headphones provided with the Galaxy S9 as well, but also they are said to tune a stereo set of speakers for the phone itself. So we'll no longer have that awful tinny single speaker, which the phone currently has now. When it comes to specs and performance, this will be the fastest Samsung Galaxy phone to hit the market. The US variant will include a Snapdragon 845 processor, while the international version will include Samsung's all-new Exynos 9810 octa-core processor with the Mali G72 GPU. Either of these two processors will include a considerable speed bump when compared to the Galaxy S8, while also optimizing battery for longer battery life. We're expecting to see 4 GB of RAM on the Galaxy S9 and 6 GB of RAM on the Galaxy S9 Plus. Both variants should come with 64 GB of onboard storage. We also expect to see features like IP68 water and dust resistance, micro SD card slot, and wireless charging, as well as Bluetooth 5.0. We'll also more than likely see improved iris scanning and facial ID recognition technology built into the Galaxy S9 to compete with the iPhone X. Artificial intelligence may be a big part of the Galaxy S9, and we may actually see a change in the TouchWiz software. The new software may be called the Galaxy AI UX, which was teased by Samsung during its Bixby Voice launch event in China late last year. And more than likely, that functionality would be heavily reliant on the Bixby software. So Samsung has already officially announced the announcement date for the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Invites have already been sent out to media outlets, and they will hold an event at Mobile World Congress on February 25th. At this event, they'll confirm the timing for pre-orders, and we expect to see the device launched before April 15th. We're also expecting about a $750 price tag for the S9 and an $850 price tag for the S9 Plus. While we feel like we know just about all there is to know on the Galaxy S9, we're still about a month away, so some things can change and likely will change. Be sure that you have it locked into this channel for all the latest information on the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. That about wraps it up for this video. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more content like this in the future. You can find more of me at droidmodderx.com. Follow me on Twitter at droidmodderx. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.